much what we got going on is intermittently bank 1 being lost either to a short or a poor connection at the under valve cover harness. Fixing to start doing some testing and some teardown to see what we find. Thank you for tuning in.